Hi, today I want to quickly show you how to repair outdoor patio furniture, specifically wicker furniture if you've ever had a damage, let's say on the transportation or an animal chewed up your resin wicker. Here are a few quick steps how you can repair that. So here we've got a damage. This wicker strand has been torn, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a spare wicker strand and we're going to weave that through here on both ends. Then we're going to attach it to the old end and cut back the old end in the spots where we don't need it. So we're going to just weave this new piece through and over top of the old one, and we're going to see how far down we need it. We'll probably go a little bit of a distance to be able to securely attach it, and the same we'll do up here. Have to see, this will have to go underneath. Through here. Just pull it through nice and tight. And then what you're going to try to do is hide the end. So each end, for example, at the bottom, you're going to try to hide the end under this strand here, where we're also going to be attaching it. So this will go under here, and then we're going to attach it underneath here and hide the end under there. And the same we're going to do here. We're going to just cut this off and then hide it behind this guy here, so it looks nice and flush. What you can do to attach it is either use an outdoor glue, or you can also use staples to attach it underneath.